Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best auto-darkening welding helmets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is YESWELDER Large Viewing Screen 3. 94-inch x3. 66-inch True Color Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Overall, I will give 5 stars. The color is amazing and has a grind and cut mode. Basically shade 3 to 13 available. Has that large 4 in view and my bifocals line up perfect every time. YESWELDER Large Viewing Screen Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is perfect for TIG, MIG, plasma and MMA applications with grinding feature. It has very large viewing size of 3.93x3. 66 inches with 4 premium sensors. This welding helmet by YESWELDER has impressive clarity capability. Because it gives you true color view of 1/1/1/2 optical clarity. It also comes with an increased battery life. And this YESWELDER helmet gives you good comfort with the pivot style headgear. Comfortable to wear, more comfortable than my Tiger hood. Fairly decent headgear, it stays put when adjusted properly. It is a really cool and nice helmet. This is very good value with 4 sensors. I can see the welding arc clear when doing TIG jobs. When it arrived, I was impressed by this welding, real nice. Packed very strong. Features: better clarity, true color view, optical clarity. Superior comfort with the pivot style headgear. Increased battery life. Super large viewing size 3.93x3. 66 with 4 premium sensors. Great for TIG, MIG, MMA, plasma applications with grinding feature. Number 2. Our second best pick is Antra Wide Shade Range Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The Antra AH6-260 is an entry-level welding helmet that offers some unusual features for its class. It has variable shade levels from 5 to 13. Although the 17-ounce weight is a plus, it means the plastic on the hood is too thin for industrial use. Getting knocked around and banging it on things when you're wearing it will wear it out pretty quickly. The thin material also means that overhead welding isn't an option in this helmet, because molten slag can burn through. It has solar charging for the batteries and has been certified to auto-darken and protect with MIG, TIG, plasma, or arc. The filter glass is designed to protect from UV and IR whether it's powered up or not. Several users have reported coworkers buying these helmets to replace the headgear in their expensive helmets. The AH6-260 features solar power along with the batteries. Adjustable delay and sensitivity controls are unusual in this price range. One thoughtful design feature is an adjustable lower limit, so when the hood is lowered it sits in the same spot every time. Pros: lightweight. Variable shading from 5 to 13. Solar charging with auto shutoff. Users love the headgear. Comfortable with glasses. Reaction time of 0.00004, 1/25, 000 seconds. Cons: thin plastic, no overhead or industrial use. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEKOPRO Solar-Powered Welding Helmet Auto Darkening. Solar-powered auto darkening welding helmet is perfect for automotive, construction, manufacturing, metal producing, repair and maintenance, mining industries. This durable welding helmet is made in a lightweight design with professional hood, wide lens adjustable shade that provide utmost comforts to the wearer. Further, it comes with a large viewing area measuring 3.86 x 3.15 inches with premium sensors. Keeping greatest safety in mind, this solar-powered welding helmet is satisfied from EN 379. Since it has auto-darkening filter switching from light to dark in 1/25,000 second, so it is good for the event of power failure because it protects the wearer from UV and IR radiation. Recommended to automotive, construction, and food and beverage manufacturing, metal production and fabrication, military maintenance, repair and operation, MRO, mining, oil and gas, transportation. Equipped with sensitivity and delay settings adaptable for different environments and task duration, enjoy enhanced visibility and color recognition. Filters light level DIN 4, switching from dark to bright state within 0.1 second to 1.0 second. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with 4C lens technology. The Viking 3350 series is Lincoln Electric's top-line auto darkening hood. Lincoln says it designed these welding helmets to offer a blend of comfort, versatility, and premium optics. Vision through the glass is as good as it gets on these helmets, with an optical clarity rating and real-world colors. Most welders who buy this helmet are very happy with the optical quality as well as the variable shade levels from 5 to 13. The design is optimized to distribute weight across the helmet to improve balance and make it feel lighter. Some users complain that the knob to tighten the headgear won't stay tight, meaning it slips off sometimes when bending over. This auto-darkening helmet has an adapter to fit onto a hard hat. The 3350 series comes in colorful styles ranging from racing stripes to robot heads and skull designs. The 1.2 pound weight isn't the lightest helmet on the market, but the big viewing area means more glass and that adds weight. Everything comes with a cost. Lincoln Electric is one of the most highly regarded welding equipment companies in the business, a favorite of professional welders. Pros: high quality, professional helmet. Large viewing area. Continuous light sensing, work indoors or out. Activate grind mode button with gloves on. Cons: some users say the headgear won't stay tight. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is YESWELDER Panoramic 180 View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. What immediately stands out about the YESWELDER AH6-260 is its amazing panoramic view. It not only has a large front screen, but 2 more auto-darkening screens on the side which darken independently in response to light. The additional peripheral vision is a nice feature for repositioning whilst leaving the hood down. The clarity in this is also great, it has true color technology so helps further improve visibility. If you want great visibility when welding, it's hard to look past this helmet. It has 6 sensors total, with 4 on the front. The headgear is pretty comfortable, there's a cushioned pad to rest against the forehead with adjustable tension. As for durability, we're yet to see how reliable this is. We don't expect it to have the durability of some other brands, but you get great features with this at an affordable price. This is my second YESWELDER helmet. As I do hobby welding and have kids that I want to observe and learn as well. So I have a couple Miller Infinity Auto Darkening helmets and 2 YESWELDER helmets. This helmet is lightweight, and the field of view is amazing. The side glass auto darkens, which is great. No complaints really, my other YESWELDER side glass doesn't auto darkening. YESWELDER has very responsive customer service. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.